Hey guys, welcome back to Cora's Cozy Castle, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm working on my capsule wardrobe. I thought I could get this done in one video, but I definitely am not going to get it done all this time, and I definitely am going to be making some list of how I want to get it even smaller than I got it today, but I am super happy with the way that it turned out and how much I got rid of. So I hope it encourages you. If you're on a minimalist journey or you love to declutter, hit that red subscribe button, the notification bell, leave me a comment down below, and join me on my journey here. I can't wait for you guys to see how much I get rid of at the end of this video. I'm very excited, and I hope that you guys are all having a great day. All right, much love.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that, yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind. It's a
Hey guys, so I was able to do this relatively quickly, but I'm not 100% completely done with it. I pulled out each thing like in categories. Uh-oh, here comes my, come here. Here's Cora Sue, guys. My little 5-pound dachshund. This is who the channel's named after. I know it gets confusing saying that I'm Kristen and this is Cora, but she was the inspiration because she's a 5-pound English cream dachshund, and anywhere she lives is a castle. So that was the inspiration, and I just love just how it just sounds with Cora's Cozy Castle. So anyway, okay, back to what I was saying. I kind of went through, and what I was mainly looking for was whether it was like super worn looking, if it had any stains, any tears, or if I just did not like how it looked on me, like at all. The other thing that I'm planning on doing as well is I had a decent amount of black leggings because that's honestly what I really enjoy wearing on a day-to-day basis. But a lot of them have gotten like really worn. I need to replace them. I definitely feel very good about everything that I've eliminated here. I do want to make it even smaller. Guys, my goal, I've been watching videos, one of my favorite YouTubers, I really would like to get it down to about 7 or 8 outfits, but it's just been harder than I thought it was going to be. But today I feel very accomplished. I have a huge pile of clothes over here to go to Goodwill, and I'm super excited. So if this inspired you to go through your wardrobe and look it over, please let me know down in the comments if you took any of my challenges, and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. And here comes my little Jensen. Say goodbye to everybody.
Goodbye, everybody.
Okay, we'll see you in the next one.
And this one.
I wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come alive.